Hey, it's Design Guy here. I'll show you how to quickly add a WhatsApp button to your Canva site. First, open your web browser and navigate to a website called elfsight by typing elfsight.com into the address bar. Type --elfsight.com into your browser's address bar, press enter, then log in using your Gmail account credentials to continue. Go to the catalog section in your dashboard. Scroll down to find the WhatsApp chat option. Click on WhatsApp chat to proceed. This will open the configuration screen where you can set up and manage your WhatsApp chat feature. You'll be taken to this page where you need to select a template for your WhatsApp chat. If you haven't chosen one yet, browse the available options and pick the template that fits your needs. Since I've already selected a template, I'll close this window. After choosing your template, you can proceed to the next step in the setup process. If you haven't selected a template yet, simply choose one from the list, then click the Continue with this template button to proceed. As a free user, you can only use this feature once. After using it, click Close. Next, you'll see the item you selected displayed on the screen. Find the item you chose and click Edit to make changes. This allows you to modify your selection, but remember, the feature is limited to a single use for free users. Enter your WhatsApp number in the provided field. Then, click the Publish button. You will be directed to a new area where your changes are being applied. In this example, I am using the free version, so some features may be limited or require upgrading. To save and share your code, click the Share button, then select Copy Link to generate a shareable URL. You can now paste this link anywhere to share your code easily with others for collaboration or reference. Go to Canva and select your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will open your account settings where you can manage your preferences and account details. Click on Web Domains in your dashboard, then click View to open your latest Canva website. Find the site you want to work with. For me, it's this one. Next, locate the three dots menu on the right side of the website's entry, and click it to reveal additional options for managing your site. After editing the site, you'll arrive at the main page. Now, let's add a text element to your site to begin customizing content. Add a text box to your design, then click and drag it to the desired location. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+A to select all text inside the box, and paste the link you want to use. This is the link from your WhatsApp chat. Copy the link, then click Done. If you want to display the conversation on your site, choose the Embed option instead. Select the method that works best for your needs. The script now generates a sub-button. Locate the new button in your workspace. Click and drag the sub-button to the desired spot on your interface. Position it wherever you need for easy access. Make sure it's aligned with any other buttons or controls on your screen. If necessary, adjust its placement for better visibility. This step lets you customize your layout and keep your tools organized. Once the sub-button is in the right place, release the mouse to drop it there. You can move it again at any time if you want to change its location. Use this method to arrange any new buttons you add to your interface, ensuring a streamlined workflow. To preview your design, start by examining the different buttons on the interface. Notice that there are several options available, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with them. Next, consider where you want to add a new element without interfering with your existing design. Look carefully at the layout and identify a spot that keeps your design clean and uncluttered. Once you've found a suitable area, move your cursor to that location. If the area looks good, click to select it. Then add your new element by choosing the appropriate tool or button from the toolbar. Make any necessary adjustments, such as resizing or repositioning the element so that it aligns well with the rest of your design. After making these changes, you're all set. Your changes have been saved and applied successfully. Now you know how to add a WhatsApp button to your Canva website. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more easy tips.